Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make orange beer. Brewing your own citrus-infused ale is a rewarding experience, and it's simpler than you might think. We'll cover everything from selecting the perfect oranges to the final fermentation steps. Get ready to create a unique and refreshing beverage that will impress your friends and satisfy your taste buds. Let's dive into the exciting world of homebrewing with a zesty twist. To begin your orange beer adventure, you'll need a few key items. Start with about 5 pounds of fresh organic oranges. Their zest and juice are crucial. For equipment, a standard 5-gallon homebrewing kit is essential, including a primary fermenter, an airlock, and sanitizing solution. Choose a light base beer kit, like an American wheat or a pale ale, to let the orange flavors truly shine through. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. The brewing process starts with meticulous sanitation. Clean equipment is paramount for good beer. Follow your base beer kit instructions for the initial mash and boil. During the last 10 minutes of the boil, add the zest from about 3 to 4 oranges to infuse that bright citrus aroma. This timing helps preserve the delicate oils. After the primary fermentation, you'll add the juice of 1 to 2 oranges to the secondary fermenter for a fresh flavor boost. Once your wort is cooled and yeast is pitched, primary fermentation will take about 7 to 10 days. After this, transfer your beer to a secondary fermenter, adding the fresh orange juice at this stage. Let it condition for another week or so to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to bottle or keg your delicious orange beer. Give it 2 to 3 weeks to carbonate and condition, then chill and enjoy your homemade, zesty brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.